Good morning, students, and welcome back to your science class. Today we'll start with uniform and non-uniform speed. So what is uniform speed? The speed of a body is said to be uniform if the body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. And these time intervals can be very small also or very large also. Okay, now see here the example is given. Let's suppose that a car is traveling on a road. Here you can see this car is traveling on a road at a constant speed of 10 meters per second. So what does it mean? It is meaning that it is traveling 10 meters in every second. See, the car started here. In the first second, it traveled 10 meters. Then in the second, it traveled another 10 meters. In the third second, it traveled another 10 meters. And then in the fourth second, it traveled another 10 meters. So that means you can see that it is covering equal distances in equal interval of time. So this is said to be uniform speed because it is traveling uniformly. Clear? Then we come to non-uniform speed. Now non-uniform speed means when the speed of a body is said to be in non-uniform when it covers unequal distances in equal interval of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time. Anyway, vice versa. ठीक है, या तो ट्रैवल करेगा अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस और एक ही टाइमिंग में इक्वल इंटरवल्स में, या तो इक्वल डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा, टाइम जो है अलग अलग होगा. Okay, see here it is given. You can look at the figure and you can see very easily that how the car is moving. In the first second, the car has traveled 7 meters. Then in the second it has traveled 15 meters. So that means it is not constant. Okay, then in the third second it has traveled only 4 meters. Then in the fourth second it has traveled 14 meters. So that means the speed is said to be non-uniform. And nowadays children, you all know very well that it is very difficult to find any car or any vehicle moving at a uniform speed on the road. Why is it so? Because you all know that there is such a heavy traffic. The roads are very bad. There are traffic signals. So you can never move in a uniform speed nowadays. Clear? Even nowadays, whether you go in your colony also, you may start with 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, but after some time you will find a dog. So you will have to apply brake. तो आ गया 10 kilometers per hour से आ गया 5 kilometers. Then again you have started moving. Okay. Then after some time you may a cow may come in front of your car. So again you have to apply brake. Okay. So you see nowadays in today's situation you can rarely find any car moving at a uniform speed. That means it will not cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Then we come to speedometer and odometer. What is speedometer? Children, you all must have seen the dashboards of your cars or your bikes and scooters. When you look at the dashboard, you will see like this. All those who have not noticed today, after going through this video, you just go out and look at your cars, your bikes or your scooties, anything. You will find a device which is fitted on in the front. Okay, and this device tells you the speed of the vehicle. So the device which tells you the speed of the vehicle is called as the speedometer. Okay, and then there is another device there again which tells the distance traveled by the vehicle. Just go to your car open the door and go and look at the dashboard. You will see a speedometer, and along with that you will see an odometer also. Odometer tells you the distance traveled by the your car or your vehicle. It shows when you buy a new car, it will be 0 kilometers. By that, then slowly when you travel, it becomes 100, then 1000, then 2000, 5000, 10,000. So the odometer tells you the distance traveled by the vehicle. I hope it's clear, children. Okay, speedometer tells the speed of the vehicle, and the odometer tells you the distance traveled by the vehicle. Okay, now we come to the average speed. What is average speed? Average speed of the body is the total distance traveled by a body divided by the total time taken by the vehicle. Now, while traveling in a car, you all must have noticed that it is very difficult to keep the speed of the car uniform. Just now I told you why. Because you have to apply brakes every now and then to slow down or to stop the car. So the average speed is total distance upon total time taken. So for example, if a car is travels a distance of 120 kilometers in 3 hours. So what will be the average speed? Total distance is 120 kilometers upon 3. Okay. So that will be 120 upon 3, that is 40 kilometers per hour. Okay. Then we come to the time. Now time, you all know that the lapse which between the regularly recurring events. We give it the reference as past midnight, after lunch break. We use the terms BC, AD. Okay, so all these are references for time. Now in ancient time, you all know that there were no clocks, no watches. So what did the people use? They used various events like the time from sunrise to sunset, according to the length of the shadow, one full moon to another full moon, the change of seasons. So they used to keep record of time by all these events. Okay, like the sundial. People used to use this sundial. How? It depends on the direction of the sun. Okay, the shadow cast by the sunlight is longer in the morning, then it will be nothing at noon, and then again longer in the evening. Okay, so this is how the ancient people used to look at the time or find out the time. So for today we'll wind up, children. The rest will continue in the next class. Thank you.